Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to file for unemployment in California. First, let's cover eligibility. To qualify, you must be fully or partially unemployed through no fault of your own. You also need to have earned enough wages during a specific 12-month base period. For example, at least $1,300 in your highest paid quarter. Additionally, you must be physically able to work, available for work, and actively looking for a new job. Before you begin, gather all necessary documents. You will need your Social Security number and a California driver's license or state ID. Prepare detailed information for all employers you worked for over the past 18 months, including company names, addresses, dates of employment, and gross wages. Also, have your most recent employer's contact information, your last date worked, and your gross earnings for your final week. Once your information is ready, it's time to apply. The quickest and most convenient method is online through the Employment Development Department's UI online system. You will need to register for My EDD account first. Alternatively, you can apply by phone, fax, or mail, but these methods typically take longer to process. Ensure you accurately provide all requested details to avoid delays in your claim. After filing, expect your claim to be processed in approximately 3 weeks. There is a 1-week unpaid waiting period before payments begin. To continue receiving benefits, you must certify every 2 weeks, confirming your eligibility. Remember to register for Cal Jobs within 21 days of applying and report any earnings you may have. Weekly benefits typically range from $40 to $450.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.